In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change the number of rings before voicemail on Samsung. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to manage the number of seconds or rings before a call goes to voicemail on your Samsung device. Something that I need to make very clear is that this usually depends on your mobile carrier. So even though you can change this on your own, the actual number that you have to call to get this done is going to differ. In this video, I chose as an example to use a particular mobile carrier. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do it if you are using Telstra. But like I said, this is going to differ for every single mobile carrier. So I'm going to show you some examples of common numbers that you can dial to get this done, and if it doesn't work, then you have to contact your carrier and ask how to do this for their specific service. So as you can see for Telstra, the number that you have to call is **61** 101 ***, and then this number must be replaced by the amount of seconds that you want to increase in the rings. This has to be in increments of 5. So you can do, for example, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and so on. Basically, you can add up to 5 seconds or decrease it 5 seconds and such, and then you finish it off with a hash. So all that you have to do is call this number if you are using Telstra. When you call this number, you will see this message: call forwarding registration was successful, and now you are good to go. Now, it is going to take 25 seconds before a call goes to voicemail. Like I said, this is a number used for Telstra. If you have another carrier, you will have to call a different number. Most popular numbers will include ***61, then star, and then this number here can change. Some examples would be 321, 121, and so on. The best course of action is to call your mobile carrier and ask them how to change this number. Either they will be able to assist in doing this for you, or you will be able to get the number from that call and then do it yourself, just like I showed here. I hope I was able to help you on how to change the number of rings before voicemail on Samsung. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.